Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So can you figure out what kind of car I got? It is a 1998 Ford Ranger. Yeah, I couldn't help it. So I picked it up. I was like $2,800. So manual, whatnot. So let's take a quick glance here, and we'll come right back again. All right, look at the paint on this thing. It's actually really nice. It's in really great shape. Interior's pretty good. There's only one rip in the seat, but I mean, she's a beaut, Clark. Look at this thing. Runs and drives good. There's only one little spot of rust down there. Oh, and maybe it's a cab corner. No, otherwise, yeah, it's pretty good. So, all right, guys, when we get this back to the house, I'll show you some more. But how awesome is this thing? So, all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Easy.